All right, guys, you're looking at a double fang cap set, left and right side, vampire teeth. This is custom fitted fangs. Here's the back side. They do have the connecting hidden back bar bridge. And this is 925 sterling silver, guys. It can be made for the top teeth or the bottom teeth, or both, top and bottom set, up to you. Handmade, snaps right on the teeth for a perfect fit. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. Beautiful handmade work. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. All right. Well, thank you for watching, guys, and as always, y'all have a good one.